Be honest, did you say words at the burial?
Bro, I delivered a full speech. I said, "Here lies the destroyer of dreams, the wrecker of naps, the screamer of 6 a.m. May your batteries rot in peace."
I hate how much I respect that.
Play bagpipe music off Spotify too. Got emotional.
Bro, it's an alarm clock, not a war hero.
Tell that to my sanity. I've been waking up to heart attacks since 2020.
So what now? You just raw dog life with no alarm?
Nah, bro, I upgraded. I got a sunrise lamp that wakes me up with gentle light and birds chirping.
From murder to yoga vibes in 24 hours. Incredible character development.
Growth, bro. Next week, I'm fighting the smoke detector.
I can't keep defending you, bro.